over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
What's up, my Lena babe? It's your girl Lena Mariah. If you're new to the freaking channel, and if you're not new, welcome back to my Lena babes. How you guys are doing? Hope you ladies are doing swell, because your girl is looking, ooh, it's giving. Y'all see the title, y'all know what's finna go down today. I got another hair review for this affordable wig Wednesday. Like, you know your girl have to come through. But y'all, this video ain't getting posted Thursday, so I don't know why I be saying affordable wig Wednesday and I be posting them on Thursday. But it's still affordable wig Wednesday because I did a video on a Wednesday, period. Anywho, phone stop being rude. I'm doing a video. Y'all, that shit rude as fuck. Anywho, y'all, before we even get into this video, ladies, before I even show you how I got this look, subscribe to the family, join the Lena babes. We lit over here, okay? Tell your mama, tell your dog, tell your cat, tell your fish, tell your mama baby daddy, tell your mama cousin, tell your side link, sneaky link, whoever, to join the Lena babes, because y'all, it's more videos coming. Like, come on with it, okay? You guys, like this video up and click that bell and know if I'm posting new freaking videos. So y'all wanna know how I got this look? Y'all wanna know how I got this? Ooh, like, it's giving scalp, it's giving grown woman, it's giving tsunami. Okay, so let me start rambling and get into this voiceover. So let's get into how I got this look. All right, ladies, so the wig your girl is installing today is called the light lace front wig. This is basically what the card looks like, ladies. And I did make sure I got the ombre in the front or whatever, but y'all, it comes in multiple colors. The color I got is GFF Juicy Co, and the style name is LFW 006 or whatever, okay? And y'all, it tells you how to wash it inside the card, and it gives like most of the colors as well on here as well, y'all. So if you check out on the link down below where the wig is at, you will see all the colors that they have for this beautiful wig. So let me show y'all this wig, okay? Let me show y'all. This is what the wig is looking like. Y'all's already out the box because I want to really see it. Look at those waves. Like, it's giving like a body wave. Well, I'm not gonna say body wave, it's giving more like a loose wave type of vibe, and I'm rocking with it. And y'all, it got the ombre colors in the front. I did choose the orange red, y'all. I never had nothing like this before, so I wanted something different, and I'm rocking with it. So y'all, it is a T-part wig as well. I already got my makeup in it, y'all. I already did that. And it's the part, I already got the part looking good, but y'all, it was already looking good, but I just put a little concealer in it to make it pop more. And it also comes with pre-baby hair, y'all. You know, your girl need that, because I be kind of messing them up. So I'm glad it came with pre-baby hair. Y'all, also, it got 2 combs in the front, and it has a comb in the back, and it has those adjustable scraps that your girl loves to death. So y'all, let me stop talking and let's get into this voiceover. Alright, my baddies, so y'all, look how it's looking. Hope y'all enjoyed that voiceover because I'm crazy as fuck and I don't give a fuck what come out my mouth. But y'all, I am enjoying these colors. Like, I didn't think that this would be cute on me, and it's actually giving. Like, y'all, comment down below if you think it's giving, like, cause y'all be commenting no way. But like this bitch up then, like it if you like it, you feel me? Shit, cause y'all don't comment no way, so like it, y'all. I'm stupid. I'm feeling myself, y'all. Look at the lace. It's giving scalp. It's giving coming out the scalp for me, y'all. Also, y'all, I did do baby hair because I feel like this wig didn't need the baby hair. I feel like it's like really good without it. It's giving grown woman shit. Like, it's giving I'm grown. I'm on my grown woman shit. So bump them baby hairs for this. Like, it don't need baby hairs. Y'all, I only got number like pros. I was gonna say cons. I'm stupid. I only got number pros for this wig, y'all. I love the color. I love the waves in it. It's giving tsunami. It's giving, ooh, it's a tsunami in this bitch. That's what it's giving. Like, y'all, I just love the ripples in it. It giving me more of a what is it called when you crinkle, like crinkles. Like, y'all, it's giving the crinkle effect. And I do believe you can probably sleep in this and it won't really mess up. Long you pin up real good, put a button on, whoop the whoop, and, you know, go to bed, get up. It will still give you this movement. Y'all, look at this. Y'all, I love it. So I give this wig a 10 out of 10. Perfect wig from EBONYLINE. Y'all, if y'all want this wig, click the link down below. It will be there with their description, and we'll have all the colors down there too, as I told you in the beginning. Just click the link. Every color you that you might want for the strips will be there. They also have solid colors as well, so just check them out, y'all. And y'all, TMI, I purchased this with my own freaking money, okay? So don't think I'm on here lying because they sent it to me with this review. I'm giving you my honest, raw, like, realness. Like, I'm being honest with y'all because why not? Like, so why I'm alive for? Y'all did good on my makeup. I'm all off topic, but y'all think I did pretty good. I've been doing better on my makeup. Like, this is my everyday look. Like, I really do the same eye look, eyebrow look, the same little blush. I want to learn how to get into highlights and contouring, but I feel like there's too much work. But I do want to get into highlighting, like get the little gold effect. Like, I can't wait to try to like work on that, so stay tuned for that video of me doing my makeup, adding highlights to it or whatever. But y'all, it's this wig, like, it's giving what it needs to give. My phone is very rude. You see me doing a video. Okay, so y'all let me know if you like this wig. If so, just purchase. You know, your girl's on a budget. You know, it's a baddie on a budget. It's a baddie on a budget, okay? And you know, I always got the great wigs for you baddies on the budget, so why not? Stay tuned, okay? So y'all, this is basically the end of this video. I am rambling now, okay? If you have watched to the end of this freaking video, subscribe to the family, join the Lena Babes. We lit over here, motherfucker. Like, join, stop fucking hating, and join and like this video up. Like it up, click that bell, and know if I'm posting new freaking videos. And y'all, share my videos. Like, why not have other folks watch my videos? Stop being stingy, just share it. It ain't that fucking hard. Just click share, click like. It's not that freaking hard because I'm giving what I need to give. I just need y'all to give as well. Like, come on, let's give. Okay, I'm stupid, but I'm for real. I'm dead ass fucking serious. Get it together, my Lena Babes. But y'all, this is the end of this video. I'll see you later in this video vlog. Peace.